This is the robotics laboratory and electronics laboratory. We have digital electronics and our robotics or REM classes. In the robotics classes, you design and build robots, and those can be entered into competitions. All kinds of problem-solving activities are learned in this area. Okay, this is the Woods and Construction Lab. And this is an area where you might take woods manufacturing or intro to construction or even residential construction. In the woods classes, we learn how to operate all the machinery in the shop, and you'll build projects to take home like a table. In the intro to construction class, you're going to do different kinds of framing problems, learn about different parts of construction. In residential construction, we actually build a house and we frame all the walls for the house right here in this shop. Okay, this is the welding and machine tool lab. So here we have oxyacetylene welding. Over in this area, we have MIG and TIG welding booths. This is a plasma cam machine, which cuts metal to different designs and shapes. And as we move up into this area, this is the machine tool area. So you learn how to operate all these different types of machines, like mills and lathes. Okay, this is the automotive lab, and in this class, these classes, you learn how to work on all aspects of a car. You'll be bringing in your own cars, putting them up on a lift, actually working on your own cars. We also teach power mechanics, where you work on small engines, and that would be one of the first classes you take in high school. This is the engineering design lab. And in this lab, students use computer-aided design software to solve different problems. So you can do anything from drawing a house to drawing up an object that can be produced on this 3D printer. So students actually make things with a 3D printer. The different labs that we've shown you are all in the Skilled and Technical Sciences department. And in our classes, you can learn things that will actually lead to careers. There are careers that pay high wages and require skills that you would learn in these different classes. So if you're interested in engineering and architecture, you might want to take our engineering design classes. If you're interested in a career as an automotive mechanic or a diesel mechanic, you might want to work in the auto shop. If you're interested in a career as a welder or machinist, you would look at classes in machine tool and welding. If you're interested in construction or woodworking, you might take the class where we actually build a house. In our robotics lab, you'll learn all kinds of things that could design and problem-solving skills that could be used in engineering. We've had students go on to become electrical engineers. These jobs are in high demand and they pay very good wages. Some of these occupations you can get into directly out of high school. When you're 18 years old and graduated from high school, you can go right to work in many of these areas.